Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it feels like so long since I've been on here. I hope you're all well, I hope you're all staying safe out there and you're all doing well in life and whatever you're trying to achieve at the moment. I made a purchase, so I went out and I bought an iMac. I've been saving up for this since October. It's part of my Christmas presents, part of my 21st birthday presents for my parents and grandparents, etc. Also, just a quick disclaimer that I am full of cold at the moment. It's not COVID, thank God, but I do sound a bit like a man and I'm really breathy and my nose is all bunged up. I think it's just like a fresher's flu. So I made this purchase because I'll be launching a business in around July time, June, July time I think, in social media and everything else, which is really super exciting, but I need something to edit on and to properly run everything from. I'm starting to build websites and design websites for companies, so my little MacBook cannot take all the gigabytes and storage and everything they need, and also like the software that I want, like Adobe Photoshop and stuff. It would have just been easier to edit on something like this, so that's why I've gone and got it. I do think that, you know, some people look at Macs as like you're paying an extra, you know, amount of what it would be for just the brand, but at the same time everything that I have is Apple, so like compatibility wise I can just plug everything in. I just find Apple so much easier to work on. I've always worked on it and I couldn't use a Windows, I just couldn't do it. So the iMac that I got was in the colour green. It is a 24-inch screen, I believe, and it is the top of the spec, so it is the one that was 1,600. However, I did use my student discount. I got like £100 off with a student discount, because like 10% off, and then hopefully I will be getting a bit of that off because I bought it with my business card, so I should have saved about £400 on this. So I got the top spec one, used my student discount, and used my business card. Hopefully we'll be able to claim that back because they are expensive, guys. They are expensive. So yeah, anyway, let's jump into it. Let's open it up. I am so excited. Okay, so I've got it set up behind me. I do apologise that the lighting keeps changing. If stuff is a little bit dark. The sun is currently setting and it's been snowing today, so there are constantly clouds going in and out as I'm trying to film the video. But anyway, I have it set up. Everything is really lovely, green, sleek. Like, couldn't fault anything. Even the wire that I've got is green. All matches. It is gorgeous. So I'm gonna take off this lovely cover. I'll do like one of those reveal things for you so you can see what it's like and get the satisfying ASMR sounds that you guys love, and then I'm going to put the camera over my shoulder so you can see me set it up, and that will be the end of the video. Oh my gosh, there she is. I'm so excited. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next one. Bye!